Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about MIA token on Binance Alpha. MIA just get listed on Binance Alpha, and I will talk about the projects, the price prediction, and also how to buy it on Binance Alpha. So first, you can open your Binance apps and go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search MIA, search it, and then you will find MIA in Alpha. You can click it here. So this is the chart. Okay, it's uh there is a dump, but it's recovery, I think. So maybe uh there is a chance to double from this price. So I think it will be double, but you have to do your own research, and it's not financial advice. Okay, so let's see the details here. You can click info. So there is 24-hour high, low, and volume. The volume is I don't know. It's a little bit little, it's little, not much. And there is their website. Let's check their website. Hi, welcome to Mia's World. Okay, so I think this is AI agent. They are token performance. Okay, what is this? Brainstorm. I think it's AI agent. Okay. Okay, I don't really know actually. Okay, this is the charge. There are charge. Okay, let's check their X account. Okay, this is Mia. Modular intelligent agent. Okay, Mia is modular intelligent agent. Okay. Sure. I don't know. Okay, let's back to the charts. I just want to show you that's the details. So let's I will show you how to buy it. First, you can go back to the chart and click chart here in the bottom. And then you can choose instant. You can swap your USDT or other token to a MIA. Also, you can choose limit orders. You can put the amount here. It's up to you, whatever you want, and you can choose the amount here. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.